So this is the ripping process. So sometimes if there's knots, you want to get out the knots, but there's knots usually in everything.
Okay, so after ripping, you want to bump these. You want to check for knots. So you just kind of look down the board, and you want to turn this vacuum on. And we got 12 inches, 16 inches, 18, 2 foot, and so on, so on. So here's the notch. You want to chop those off. Slide it down to 2 foot. Check again. 18 inches. 16. And a foot. And that's pretty much what you do. Alright, so we're going to check for knots again. See that knot? Just come in here and chop that off. Go with 2 foot. And after I chop the 2 foots, I put them over here. 18 inches, 16 inches, 2 foot. And that's that process.
So this is a pointer. Basically, I'm double checking what he did. So you want to be knots, and you always want your knots towards the point. Check them a little bit. When they're looking for, they don't want those, which he missed, or these with the pitch sticks, the softwood. You kind of go through and get them out. No good. And then banding. And these are the 16s. And you got your 1 footers, your 2 footers, and your 18 inches. And these are our finished pallets, 72 per pallet. And these are my 2 footers, 18 inches, 16 inches, another 18, another 18. But that's how we ship them out. We ship them out on pallets. And when the freight comes, picks them up, and they're ready to go.